Everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer your apps from the internal storage to SD card. For that, you have to follow my instructions very carefully. It's very simple, but you may have to do some of these steps. The first thing you need to do is you have to go to the settings option, then you have to scroll down to find the option app management or app settings. So after that, you have to basically find the apps from your setting option. So let's say Pokemon Go is my selected apps that I want to transfer from internal storage to SD card. After that, go to the storage section. After entering into that particular application, then you will be able to see a change button. Tap on the change button, then you have to select your location to SD card. That's it. You can see that it's written exporting Pokemon Go and its data to SD card, and you have to tap on move. That's it. The Pokemon will be transferred to SD card. Still, if you don't find the option change, you have to do another thing. First of all, you need to go to your files option. After that, you have to scroll down to find the SD card option. Go to SD card option. Now tap on the three dot button from the top right corner, then click on the storage setting. Now this type of interface will be available. Now you can see it is written here format, but do not format, don't dare to format it. But if it is written here format to internal storage, in that case you have to tap on format to internal storage, then you have to select it to internal storage. So the SD card will be used as internal storage. After that, if you just go to the application, there will be an option for change. So that's how easily you can do it. And if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next